Oceans cover more than 70% of the world. They are home to thousands of species of animals, from the largest, the blue whale, to some of the smallest, zooplankton. I'm Arthur Huang, an engineer and architect by profession and a National Geographic Explorer by passion. The continuous cycle of life found in the oceans has inspired innovations in robotics, medicine, infrastructure, and energy. But while we have been mining the seas for inspiration and resources, the oceans have become dumping grounds. Plastic can take more than 400 years to degrade. We need to collect it and recycle it to give nature a chance to heal itself. This community-level upcycling solution can recycle plastic disposables into well-designed, durable products in minutes. As buildings account for nearly 40% of global greenhouse gas emissions, this engineering technology aims to reduce their carbon footprint by converting trash into building materials. The EcoArt Exhibition Center in Taipei was constructed with 1.5 million recycled bottles. 80 to 90% of this structure was built with waste materials. The technology has also been applied to modular classrooms built from natural and recycled materials. About 5 tons of trash can be repurposed. Innovative technologies inspired by nature are a positive step toward a circular economy. Together, we can create a better future for everyone.